Here the problem is saying x to the 6th equals y squared, and what is y in terms of x? So the original expression the problem gives me is x to the 6th equals y squared. I'm going to make up a number for x here. So variables in the question, variables in the answer, keep in mind that you can always make up numbers. So I'm going to make x 2. Now if x is 2, then I have to solve for the 2 to the 6th. And with calculating that, I know that 2 to the 6th equals 64. So now if I know that the original expression there, x to the 6th, let's rewrite that over here again. X to the 6th equals y squared, and I know that that right there equals 64. So 64 equals y squared, and then that tells me y must equal 8. So now y is 8 and x is 2 are my two numbers. The question is saying what is y in terms of x. So that's really saying plug your x into all your answer choices there and see where you get y, which is 8. So let's go to A. A is just saying 2. B is saying 2 squared, which is 4. C is saying 2 cubed, which we know is 8. And 2 to the 4th is 16. My answer's got to be C. Again, variables in the question, variables in the answer. If you get stuck, make up numbers. There's another way of doing this problem too. So if this strategy, what I just showed you, works for you, go ahead and move on. But if you want to see another way of doing this problem, stick around and I'll show you another way of doing this one too. So I'm going to have to erase a couple of these things. So I'm going to erase actually the whole thing. So let's rewrite this. So now I know that x to the 6th equals y squared. The question is saying what is y? Which essentially is saying I just want y by itself. So think about this exponent. Right now the y is being raised to the 2nd power. I want to get rid of that 2. So what I can do is I can multiply this by its reciprocal, which is 1/2. But now if I do that to this side, I have to do that to this side as well. So 2 times 1/2 up here is going to give me 1. So that's just going to be y to the 1st equals x times, or 6 times 1/2, which I know is 3. So that leaves me with x cubed. So I know that y equals x cubed, which is answer choice C again.